Want to know if ATFX is worth your time and money? That is exactly what we'll cover today. Hi, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com, and after years of reviewing brokers, we know exactly what to look for, from hidden fees to potential red flags. We spent hours testing ATFX, and in the next few minutes I'll answer the key questions every trader needs to ask. Is ATFX trustworthy with your money? How competitive are their trading fees? Do they offer a good range of assets to trade? And we'll also take you on a live tour of their platforms, highlighting the features that really matter. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly if ATFX is the right fit for your trading style, which traders will benefit the most from their services, and just as importantly, who might want to look elsewhere. Alright, so let's dive in. The first and most important thing when choosing a broker is whether you can trust them. So is ATFX a broker you can rely on? ATFX launched in 2017, so they're still pretty new to the game. So how can we assess their reliability? The best place to start is with their regulations and licenses. ATFX operates through 9 entities worldwide, with 6 of them licensed by top-tier regulators in the UK, Cyprus, Australia, South Africa, Hong Kong, and Dubai. 2 more entities are authorized by lower-tier regulators in Mauritius and Seychelles. And there's 1 offshore unregulated entity based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. But what does this actually mean for you as a trader? First off, all ATFX entities keep your funds in segregated accounts. This is crucial because it means that your money stays separate from the broker's operational funds. In other words, your investment is protected. They also provide negative balance protection, which means your account can't go below 0, even during major market swings. Now, for their UK and Cyprus entities, there's an extra layer of security through government-mandated compensation schemes. However, these branches only serve institutional clients such as hedge funds, proprietary trading firms, and financial institutions. That means retail traders will need to open an account under one of ATFX's other entities. The unregulated entity does come with more risk since it isn't overseen by a financial authority. However, ATFX has added extra protection with client funds insurance of up to $1 million per client, backed by Lloyd's of London. This helps safeguard client funds against potential risk. To sum up, ATFX scores a solid 4.3 out of 5 in the trust category. While they have put numerous safeguards in place to protect their clients, the presence of an offshore entity did impact their overall score. The next thing you'll want to look at is trading fees. Are they competitive or not? We tested ATFX's spreads during the opening hours of the London and New York sessions, some of the busiest times of the trading day, using their commission-free standard CFD account. So, what did we find? Let me show you the actual numbers we got from our testing. You can see them right here in this table. Looking at Forex pairs, both major and minor currencies had spreads notably higher than what you typically see with other brokers. The same goes for stock market indices and oil contracts. The spreads there were also on the high side. But we did find very competitive spreads on share CFDs and decent rates for gold and crypto trading, both slightly below industry averages. On top of spreads, we also looked at swap fees, the cost for holding positions overnight. Similar to spreads, they generally fell into the average to higher range of the market. Now for some good news. ATFX doesn't charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals, but there is a $10 monthly fee if your account stays inactive for 6 months, so keep that in mind. Overall, the fee structure isn't that suitable for long-term trading strategies such as swing or position trading. However, if you prefer shorter-term trading, you could focus on the markets with lower spreads like share CFDs, gold, and crypto. Since ATFX's trading fees are mostly average for the industry, we gave them a score of 3.1 out of 5 in the fees category. Now let's check out the platforms and tools ATFX provides and see if they're a good fit for you. The main platforms ATFX offers are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The desktop versions pack all the features advanced traders need: automated trading, one-click execution, and custom indicators. But the broker didn't just stop at basic MT4, they've added some useful add-ons to it. You get their custom support and resistance indicators for spotting market turning points, Trading Central for actionable trade ideas, AutoChartist for automatic pattern detection. There's also an economic calendar built right into MT4 to keep you on top of market-moving news events. For traders who prefer simplicity or trading on the go, you've got options. Both MT4 and MT5 come with web and mobile versions. packed with essential tools like technical indicators and multiple timeframes. ATFX has also developed their own mobile app designed specifically with beginner and intermediate traders in mind. For precision traders who need ultra-fast execution, ATFX provides VPS hosting for execution speeds under 5 milliseconds. And if you're into social trading, they've got their own copy trading service where you can share or follow trading signals. Now, let's take a look at how these platforms actually work in practice. Here we have the MT4 Desktop trading platform from ATFX. On the left-hand side, we have the Market Watch window, which lists all the different tradable instruments. If we right-click and then click on symbols, we'll see many different instruments available to trade on, covering all the world's global asset classes. On the left-hand side in the navigator window, there is a lot of built-in indicators. Trend indicators such as Bollinger Bands, which are easy to put on the chart. There are many other indicators available, including additional add-ons from ATFX. Multiple timeframes are also available, from 1-minute charts all the way up to monthly charts. Charts can also be easily customized. Right-click, select Properties, and then you can change the color scheme to your preference. Placing a trade is also really easy. You can click on New Order tab here at the top, which allows market execution and pending orders with limit and stop orders available. Alternatively, the one-click trading feature here at the top left of the chart is very easy to use. Simply click Buy or Sell, and it will instantly open a trade here at the bottom. Then users can actually trade from the chart by dragging take profit levels as well as stop loss levels automatically onto the chart. The platform also has algorithmic trading capabilities. Select the Experts tab at the bottom to utilize automated trading robots. Overall, the MT4 Desktop platform has many different features suitable for short-term algorithmic and technical analysis traders, with a variety of indicators available. Next, let's take a look at the ATFX mobile trading app for iOS devices. At the bottom, we have different categories: Home, Product, News, and more. Click on the News section, and there is lots of news announcements regarding different asset classes available to view. If you click on Product, you'll see all the different instruments available to trade on. At the top is a list of the categories: metals, forex, energies, indices, cryptos, futures, and many different shares. If we click on one market, such as Euro to US dollar, it opens up a chart to view with different time frames, from 1-minute charts to hourly charts and higher time frames such as daily and weekly. If you scroll down, there's also a little bit more information here regarding the instrument that you're trading on. It is very easy to buy or sell just by clicking the buy or sell icon. You can actually just submit a market order. Or if you click on order settings, you can also input take profit and stop loss levels, as well as use buy limit and buy stop orders as well. You can also create your own favorites list by clicking the star icon here at the top, and then you can access the list from the product page and then click on your favorites for quick, easy access to the markets that you're focused on. Overall, it's very easy to use the mobile trading app with charts across many different instruments and multiple order types. This is a great feature for all types of traders, from short-term to medium and longer term, as well as those who are just interested in trading on the move or even managing any position. While ATFX doesn't offer the widest choice of platforms, what they do provide comes with solid tools and features. That earns them a 4.1 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Finally, let's take a closer look at what you can actually trade with ATFX. They offer 350 tradable instruments, including 44 forex pairs, 5 commodities, 15 indices, 23 ETFs, 8 futures, 250 shares, and 11 cryptocurrency CFDs. What stands out? The number of ETFs and indices is much higher than the industry average, while most other markets are in line with what you'd expect from similar brokers. For stock traders, ATFX gives you access to popular shares from US, Germany, France, and Hong Kong, covering some of the world's largest markets. Overall, while the total number of instruments is modest compared to some competitors, ATFX covers all the key markets that traders typically look for, so they score a solid 4.3 out of 5 in the tradable instruments section. In just a moment, we'll share our final thoughts on trading with ATFX, but first, Here's why you can trust our insights. Our team is made up of experienced analysts and professional traders. Over the past decade, we've reviewed hundreds of Forex brokers, more than 80 each year. This gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So what's the bottom line? Is ATFX the right broker for you? Let's go over the pros and cons. On the positive side, ATFX has built a strong foundation. They operate through 9 entities and 8 of them are regulated by global authorities. They offer over 350 CFD instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, futures, shares, and crypto CFD. For trading platforms, ATFX provides MetaTrader 4 and 5, plus some valuable add-ons. You'll get their custom support and resistance indicators, as well as tools from Trading Central and AutoChartist. The broker keeps things simple with a single standard account that features no commissions and free deposits and withdrawals. We found the spreads were best on gold, shares, and crypto CFDs. Finally, their market research is impressive, with solid analysis from both their in-house team and trusted third-party providers. Now let's talk about some drawbacks. Spreads on Forex pairs, indices, and some commodities are higher than average. Having just one account type might feel limiting for traders who want more options. There's also the unregulated entity to consider, though they do provide the private client fund insurance as a safeguard. Lastly, we found execution speeds slower than the industry standard, but VPS hosting can help improve them to under 5 milliseconds, which is a plus for high-frequency traders. So looking at these pros and cons, who would benefit most from trading with ATFX? The broker stands out for news traders, offering in-house analysis, along with insights from Trading Central and AutoChartist for a full view of the market. ATFX is also a good choice for casual and day traders focused on shares. With a $50 minimum deposit, 2 strong trading platforms, and competitive spreads on share CFDs, it's an accessible and appealing option. Automated traders will find what they need here. Both MT4 and MT5 Desktop versions support expert advisors, and the VPS hosting ensures reliable execution of your strategies. If you're interested in copy trading, ATFX has developed their own copy trade service that lets you follow other traders' strategies. Plus, ATFX isn't just for retail traders. They also work with corporate and professional traders, offering institutional trading services in regions like the UK, EU, Australia, UAE, and Hong Kong. However, this broker might not be your best choice for certain trading styles. The average to high overnight charges make it less suitable for long-term position trading and swing trading. In our evaluation, we have awarded ATFX an overall score of 4.2 out of 5, marking its offering as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner to head straight to their site. Thank you for watching. And before you go, check out this video right here. YouTube thinks you'll find it interesting. I'll see you there.